internet couple, interracial couple.
No.
And it's little comments that she.
I'm gonna post this. Don't say anything weird.
Internet comments. They're gonna make fun of you for marrying an Indian.
Why?
Because you're white. White's supposed to be with whites. No. Internet says that white people belong with white people. White people. You look much better on the camera than me. I feel like I look much better in real life than in the camera.
Yeah.
Camera, I feel like I look a bit older than I am.
It just makes your face, like your shape of your head, different than what it actually is. So strange. No. No.
Yeah, this is the perfect. I'll be the hand. This is you with the face.
We're doing the not vlog, but podcast.
What's the podcast
About? Just nothingness. No, I know. I can put it here. Yeah. Great. No.
Bitte.
Almost.
Bitte. In der Mitte, bitte.
Doesn't mean anything. It's like somebody's watching.
So weird to be on camera, right? Not for you.
It's weird.
It is weird?
Yeah.
Why are you smiling at me? See, I look shocked, I look weirded out. You look like
I'm pretending.
you should be a guy. Nah, you should be an actress.
Why do you do it like that? Be an actress.
That's the essence of blogging. You have to give people these cuts so that you can think cut
No,
things
I'm just
together.
I'm gonna post everything.
I do not consent to her posting this video.
No, do you say that you consent?
I don't.
No, say yes. Say yes.
I don't.
No, but say yes, just even if you don't. say
Woman does
say
not
yes.
understand the word
Yes.
consent.
Yeah.
This video is for me only, not for the internet.
But you know that you're being recorded right now, and people are watching right now.
No one is watching.
No. Come here. Say yes.
Oh my god.
Yes.
This is a live
I-
stream of thousands of people. Oh no.
Just say yes, please, fast.
Don't be that guy.
You're making people uncomfortable.
Me?
Yeah.
How money?
Because you're not saying yes. Just say yes.
Yes.
Okay, good.
This is a nice picture.
Oh wow! Show it to the people
Street photography, literally up the street.
right now.
Where the streets have no name.
You should be in the camels.
It's enough.
No,
You
We're gonna-
memories.
but we're gonna eat.
Yes, so we'll start it with food.
No. It's a SMRI, but for.
You can pause it if you
Nope.
pause it.
Oh, you can pause it.